everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to yet another challenge video. This time I have taken challenge with this rice water toner from I am from. यहाँ पे मैंने ये 30 ml का quantity pick किया है because I know it's very expensive, so I just wanted to try this one out. So if this gonna be work fine, then I'm definitely gonna grab the actual size. So if you wanted to know about this product, then please keep on watching. Before we jump into the live demo clips, let's discuss the ingredients of this one. Now first of all, on the top as a first ingredient you'll see is the rice water, and यहाँ पे इन्होंने concentration use किया है 77.78%, which is like huge, okay? And we all know rice water के क्या benefits हैं for our hairs and even for our skin. I don't need to tell you. Rice water होता है that has a lot of anti-aging benefits for you. If you're looking to start with an anti-aging routine, you should look for this ingredient as well, as this also helps in brighten up your complexion. If you have weak barrier, it also protect your barrier, soothe your skin. If you have sunburn, if you have irritated skin, it helps in soothing that out. Apart from rice extract, this has another good ingredient, which is niacinamide. Now I am assuming it definitely gonna have at least 4 to 5% of niacinamide, because it comes as on the top of 5 ingredients, so definitely 5% ही होगा, उससे कम नहीं होगा. Here you're getting niacinamide benefits as well, which of course gonna help in controlling the sebum production, gonna help in fading the acne marks. Like these two, like rice extract, rice water and this niacinamide collectively gonna help in your dark spots, pigmentation as well, and it definitely gonna help in you well aging. Apart from rice extract, this do have rice bran extract as well, which is like, now apart from rice extract and this niacinamide, this do have rice bran extract, which is great, right? So overall I just love the ingredient list, and this was on the hype, so I just wanted to try this one out. But यहाँ पे मैंने बड़ा size नहीं pick किया because of course it's very expensive. It's for 2300. Like of course I can afford that, but you know initially I wanted to try the small size. That's why मैंने हमेशा मैं यही कोशिश करती हूँ कि अगर किसी product का small size available है तो it's better to try that first, because of course it's on an expensive side. तो अगर ये suit करेगा then I can go for that. So let's see whether I'm gonna be loving this one and whether I'm gonna be investing in the actual size of this or not. As you can see, it's already 3 to 4 days since I was trying out. So let's see how long this gonna last us. So yeah, now let's quickly jump into the live demo clips. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another challenge video. This time we are going to use this rice toner from I am from for, let's see how long this is gonna last us. 7 days, 10 days, jab tak bhi chalega. All trial size, 30 ml one costed me around 700 or something. So we're gonna use this one. Today is 21st of July and let's apply this one. I'm not gonna use any cotton pad, directly gonna pour this on my face before you can see. Alright, so that's the before of my skin. A lot of marks, there is no active acne as such. Forehead is pretty clean, and I have washed my face. I have used a toner like the Keep Cool Soothe toner, और अभी हम इसको use करेंगे. I'm gonna pour this directly on my face. Okay. So I do feel little bit of moisturized. That maybe because इससे पहले मैंने कॉटन से एक बार अपना कीप कूल टोनर भी लगाया है, maybe that's why. But कल हम इसको directly apply करेंगे, like without any other toner. Now I'm gonna put my moisturizer on and then I'm done. That's day 1. Good morning everyone. Day 2, and let's apply this. So last night what I did is, after this toner I use my Soon Young emulsion, and then on the top I use the 100% squalane from Be Minimalist. I hope it lasts us for 7 days. Once it's absorbed, I'm gonna use the Soon Young emulsion. Now I'm using this because it's plain moisturizer, like it does nothing except moisturization. Yeah, I'm done, and now I'm gonna use my sunscreen after 5 or 10 minutes because I'm gonna let this sink into my skin. So I am using it twice a day, like morning and night. आपको मिलूंगी next morning, like tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so 10 days are done. Today is 11th day, today is 31st and आराम से 10 दिन हमें हो गए हैं. तो आप देख सकते हो ये अभी इतना फिनिश हुआ है. ये अभी आई थिंक मेरा 5 से 6 दिन और निकाल देगा. सो क्वांटिटी वाइज ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने इसको 2 टाइम यूज किया है, लाइक ट्वाइस अ डे. सो उसके हिसाब से तो क्वांटिटी ठीक ठाक थी. एंड दिस वाज अ बाई फेस सोल्यूशन. अभी तो मैंने इसको शेक कर दिया था, तो इसलिए इस तरह से ये मिल्की सी कंसिस्टेंसी में हो गया है. बट अदरवाइज इट्स अ बाई फेस प्रोडक्ट. एज आई सेड इन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट दिस हैज राइस एक्सट्रैक्ट. सो उस हिसाब से ब्राइटनेस मुझे नहीं फील हुई, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड आई डू हैव नाइसिनामाइड, एटलीस्ट 4 to 5% का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होगा. तो मार्क्स पे भी एज सच मुझे कोई रिडक्शन फील नहीं हुआ है इन दीज 10 days. So I don't know what to say about this, but yes, it's quite moisturizing. Like it's not like your regular toners जो एकदम watery होते हैं. It has body to it. Okay, in short, if I have to say, like it's quite moisturizing. Like if you're gonna layer this up ना, तो आपको थोड़ा moisturization भी feel होता है इसको layer up करने के बाद. Next, it has a very weird fragrance. हल्का सा आपको I don't know किस चीज का fragrance है. कैसे समझाऊं, थोड़ा सा वियर्ड सा फ्रेग्रेंस इसमें से आता है, जैसे रॉ राइस का आता है. आई थिंक उसी का मिक्सचर का ही फ्रेग्रेंस है. बट 1-2 बार आपको इरिटेट करेगा, उसके बाद यू गोना बी फाइन विद इट. देन आपको फील भी नहीं होगा कि इसमें से कोई फ्रेग्रेंस आ रहा है. एंड एज सच मेरे फेस पे काफी अच्छे से सूट हुआ है. इसने कोई मेरे को इरिटेशन नहीं दी है. ओके, दैट वन. एंड I don't know, like if you ask me like whether I will be, investing my money in the actual size of this one, I think no, because मुझे कोई बहुत huge, like of course it's damn expensive. It's 2300 something for 150 ml of product. So I was expecting miraculous results with this one in 10 days, but no, I don't see any difference. If you guys see, do let me know in the comment section. But yes, this is a toner जिसको आप easily अपने किसी भी स्किन केयर रूटीन में एड अप कर सकते हो. इफ यू डूइंग अ रेटिनॉल जर्नी, रेटिनॉल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हो, उनके उसके साथ आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. लाइक दिस कैन बी पेयर्ड अप विद एनी एक्टिव्स, बट आई फील रेस्ट I think I'm not gonna invest in the actual size of this one. But हाँ, अगर फ्री में मिलता है तो why not? फ्री में मिलेगा then definitely I would love to use it. But like investing money like in the actual size, I think for now I think no. Later अगर मैं अपना mind change करूँ तो बात अलग है. But अभी रिजल्ट्स देख के तो मुझे नहीं ज्यादा लग रहा कि हाँ I should invest my money in the actual size. So Yeah, that is it guys, that's all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next videos guys. Until then, take care and stay beautiful. Bye bye.